Hello guys, so today we are going to unboxing the Trident series. Okay, for more information you can have a look on here or link. So this is unboxing video. So let's get started. So before we start, just unpack the packaging. Pieces of our box set. Okay. So inside this box we got two big boxes, one small one, and a user guide. Okay, so this user guide inside same as well. They will teach you all the features, okay, about the digital lock function. Is like their screen, their fingerprint reader, and how do you do the installation jobs, the measurements, and this one, all the latches, all the screw. They will teach you how to do this setting. Okay, so if to download the apps, you can just scan this part to download it. This is the measurement for the 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗨𝗥𝗘 measurement. Okay, so this is accessories part. So the packaging comes with two pieces of key. This is the emergency key. Okay. A certification. Three pieces of this key tag card, and a bunch of screw. Okay, screw and latches. This is the latches and all the screw that needed for your door locks. Okay, so today we didn't unbox the 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗨𝗥𝗘. Okay, but the 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗨𝗥𝗘 original set come with is like this. This is the 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗨𝗥𝗘, and then there are 3 bolts with an additional lock set. This one is the internal deadlock, and then this is the latch. Okay, this is the 𝗦𝗘𝗖𝗨𝗥𝗘. Okay, here comes our lock set. The Trident logo, and then the screen and the handle. The screen is here and the fingerprint reader is here. This is the back panel with the deadbolt, the deadlock there, this one. This one is the handle. And this one is the battery cover. Okay. So it's already screwed on. This is the battery cover here. And then the handle is here. The deadlock is here. So this is basically the looking. So let's go through some features. So these door locks, they come with the pin number, and then the card sensor is over here, and then with the key is at the bottom. This one is an emergency key access, And then this is a micro USB for jumpstart. If let's say the door locks is dead, you need to jumpstart to open it. You can put in your power bank micro USB cable to jumpstart it. And then here is the fingerprint reader that can actually register up to 100 record. Okay, this is a fingerprint reader. So after you scan your fingerprint, so you just pull it down to unlock it. The spring for this part is quite good. Okay, it's very good, the spring part. Okay, and then this is a back. This is a wire that you need to connect to the back panel. Okay, so this is a match thing that you need to use the accessories, okay, to link from the back and front. Okay, so this is the front panel and the back panel. Okay, to work this, you need 4 pieces of 𝗘𝗖𝗚𝗟𝗏 battery. 4 pieces of 𝗘𝗖𝗚 battery. Okay, this is a deadlock. If let's say you stay inside and then at the night time you want additional lock set, you can just lock it on. Okay, so inside this box there is a front panel, a back panel, 3 pieces of card, bunch of screw, and 2 pieces of key. Okay, for sure we will match together for you the 4 pieces of 𝗘𝗖𝗚𝗟𝗏 battery, okay, and a set of mortise. Okay, so this is our Trident Auto series. So if you are interested, you can just PM our Facebook, Secure Tech. If you got any information also, you can want to ask, you can just PM us. Okay, so here comes for the unboxing. Thank you so much.